what is an I-130 petition? So this is used for family-based green card applications. All it does is show you that if I'm the person sponsoring, so it shows that I'm a US citizen or I'm a green card holder, and the person that I'm sponsoring has a qualifying relationship. So I'm not only can I sponsor because I'm either a US citizen or a green card holder, but the person that I'm sponsoring is someone that the law will allow me to sponsor. All right, so that's all it does. So here's an example. So if I'm a US citizen and I'm sponsoring my husband, I'm a US citizen, right? So I'm showing my naturalization certificate or my birth certificate, right? If I'm born in the US, or my US passport, that's evidence of showing my US citizenship as well. And my spouse, right? So my marriage certificate is kind of the first thing, the relationship between my spouse and me. And then of course, for marriage-based applications, you need to show that it's a real marriage, not just for immigration purposes. So that's part of the petition as well. So I want to show things like we took trips together, maybe pictures of the wedding, maybe my husband bought me jewelry, so receipts for that, my engagement ring, wedding invitation. So all of these types of things can be evidence of a real marriage for marriage-based green cards and get submitted with what's called the I-130 petition. So it's really important that you pay attention to that. And the other thing to note is that you will not have any kind of immigration status just based on approval of the I-130 petition. So if I sponsor my brother or sister and I show, for example, that I'm a US citizen and this person is my brother or my sister, they might be in the US, they might be abroad, that petition is most likely going to get approved if you were able to prove your relationship and your status, right? But doesn't mean that your brother or sister has a green card now. Green cards for siblings are, decades long. They take a really, really long time for a green card to become available. All it means is that you can sponsor them and that you have a place in line for when a green card becomes available. Okay, so that might mean that your brother or sister, if they're in the US, they have to maintain status here in the US for that entire period. So it could be 15 years long in some instances, right? So just something to keep in mind. An I-130 alone will not give you immigration status, but it's only really used to show your own status and the relationship you have to the person that you're sponsoring. Okay, it's a necessary part of almost all family-based green card applications. Give us a call if we can help you, 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663.